Good morning, everyone. My name is Privileged Programmer. Today, I just want, I have a very exciting topic that I think all of you will like it. Today, I just want to talk about how to become the great programmer and what is the best programming language to start with if you want to begin the journey of programming. The other thing that I want to talk about is programming is divided into two groups, only two groups. All the programming languages that you see, all the programming languages that you come across, I think there are lots of programming languages, but all those programming languages are two. So I just want to convince you and to tell you today that in this world, there are only two programming languages. What are those two programming languages? One is static programming language, what you call static typed programming language. Two, there's what you call interpreted programming languages. So all the programming languages that you know, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, C Sharp, they come in these two categories. So you have to categorize those program languages. You have to know the program language that you start, that is it static, is it interpreted? Then if you know that, then you group them. So what I want to tell you is, if you want to begin to study programming, you have to start with a static programming language. I recommend, and I think through my experience in the field of programming, that you have to start with C or C++. Why? I see most of programming languages, they came from C or C++. They came from C programming language. If you see Java, Java came from C. If you see C Sharp in Java, they are nearly the same. If you see that, it is the same syntax as the C or C++. So as a beginner, you have to start in C or C++. If you are satisfied and if you have everything, and if you know everything about C or C++ programming language, then you learn other languages. It will be the matter of comparing. For example, if you are about to learn Java, you are just comparing C or C++ with Java, like Java is completely object oriented. We have objects and classes in Java. We do not have functions. We have functions and methods. Methods are functions inside classes that are engulfed with objects. So in Java, you're talking of objects, you're talking of classes. If you want to create a calculator, you create a class with objects that calculates something. Unlike in C, that you create a function that calculates something. For example, if you want to learn C Sharp, you just compare C Sharp with Java. For example, C Sharp, it has got the main function, like it is called static void main, and then in parentheses, string args. It's like an array of strings with the name called args. And if you see in the C Sharp, the main function is in caps. And if you see in Java, it's called the public static void main, and the main is small letters. So what I want to tell you today, if you learn C in all the programming languages that are static, you'll be just comparing. And then the second thing, you have to learn a programming language that is interpreted. The interpreted programming languages are the programming languages that you have to download an interpreter so that you can convert your code into executable. For example, Python, that is the most popular interpreted programming language. You need to download a Python interpreter, and then if you have that interpreter, then it will be very easy for you to write your source code and convert it into executable. So if you learn Python, there are lots of them. You have Python